cellphone. Pakita ko sa inyo guys ang aking asawa na stuck dito guys. Oh, look. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. His truck mga ka-channel. It's very very deep daddy. Oh, get up bre. Hawa hawa hawa. Well, you need someone to help you dad. Goodness.
Try to go slow.
Help a bari kuya.
I don't know how to. Well, I'm standing in front of it.
Hawa na baby.
Why? If you're going slow, you're only going to hit me at 2 miles. I'm trying to get the piece of wood to catch under your tires. How about we just try to put...
You're gonna be come back. No. Oh, still needs someone to pull you back, daddy. Pull you up. Maybe we can put the board.
Oh, so the wheel's spinning on top of the board. Just gun it, Dad.
Hold it, baby. Hold it.
Just gun it. Go until it sounds expensive. Yeah, what you're always saying.
Oh, Allah. You're almost there.
You broke the board.
Get away, Manuel. That is gonna be. Hey.
I'm worried about you just getting out of the mud you buried yourself in.
Go with it, daddy. More.
Just keep on trying.
Keep on trying going.
Okay.
Okay, wait. The water. Oh my goodness. So, you okay?
Yeah. Someone's being clean for her outing. Try to cut hard.
All right. Ready?
I don't know. The wood's not going to catch, so I don't really know.
Stop.
Go help yourself.
Hold it, Manuel. Sam. Get away. Right, go.
Medium, I guess.
Need push. Give. What did baby? Sam.
Okay.
Alright, try, Daddy. Get away there. Stay there. Stay there, Sam. Now mga ka-channel, the truck is still in stock. All I have to do is I have to pull. Hilain ko siya mga ka-channel, hilain ko. Tayo. Kasi ano dito? Ito kasing taong to, hindi kasi nag-iingat eh. Yan, hihila-hila tayo nito, guys. Ano na naman?
Where's the hit?
The hits. I don't remember if we have hits. Get out over there. I don't remember if I don't know where is that.
Mommy, where are the churros?
It's over there with Alex.
Huh?
It's in
Where's the
Alex.
hitch?
I don't know where I don't know we have hits.
Yeah, the thing that goes in there for towing.
I don't remember.
It's already without.
Yes. Oh guys, howla guys. This is my first time mag-towing, guys.
Sure, Tom.
They're trying to pull this truck, guys, because careful ha.
They're stuck. 3, 2, 1.
Teka, ay padaplin.
The zip ties broke.
No, it's okay.
Yeah,
No,
both of them.
stop muna dong.
The zip ties broke. Did the chain come off?
No.
What?
The chain's not come out.
You said the zip ties broke, which means the chain's moved. I think it's just wrenching itself down.
If the zip ties came undone, that means the chain. What? Just get like 4 and get 2.
Manuel,
Get me 2 more.
Oh, I didn't hear you. Everything.
get away. Sige na. Okay, go far away because Lord help us, Lord. Good job. Yay!
Now, Bubba, tow him home.
bring him home. Oh, job.
Why didn't we just resort to this the first time?
Daddy, you did a good job, Dad.
I didn't have a chain. You didn't tell me, hey, I got a chain.
Goodness. Finally, guys, we got it, guys. So I thought that I can do it myself, but my stepson did it. Kasi maano kasi laging umuulan ba, tas na overparking siya mga channel sa gilid. So yan mga ka-channel, thank you for watching us today and I hope you enjoy watching this truck. Bye guys.